outside equally natural, silent, and comfortable. In fact, the same. In fact, the same as I say. Kind of my house. The house is a flat where I live since I was born, and until now my house is not big and not small, and it's enough for my family. In my dream, I don't want to be rich. I just live with my family, and see them smile enough for me. Family member. It has 5 people in my family: my mom, my dad, my sister, and my grandmother and me. Uh, this 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 sentence I just write with my friend. My real in 5 people in my family is my mom, my dad, my grandma, my grandpa, and me. Kitchen, I love my kitchen because I like to cook with my mom, and it's really happy when I cook with her.